Welcome to Toony Tribe, where imagination comes to life.
One sunny day, the sky turned gray. Jinx was bored and wished for play. He waved his hands and gave a cheer. Let's make it rain some magic here. Raindrops fell, but not like before. They giggled loud and asked for more. Riley laughed, it tickled my nose as magic puddles bloomed like rose. Then came clouds, all soft and blue. Sleepy rain fell down like dew. Noah yawned and rubbed his eyes. Why does this rain make lullabies? Jinx spun twice, the sky turned bright. A rainbow danced in colored light. Liam said it's like a dream come true. The rain sang songs in every hue. But suddenly, pop, a banana storm. It wasn't cold, it wasn't warm. Oops, said Jinx, that spell went wrong, as fruits fell down and bounced along. They dried their clothes and took a seat, with rainbow cookies for a treat. Jinx now knows with magic rain comes joy, surprise, and fun again.